For printing on our 12 by 18 stencil film and textile film, you're going to need to raise up your light in order to expose your larger film. And in order to do that, you need our extender bar. This 23-inch extender bar is good on either the new 2.0 metal sign or our original acrylic sign. It will work exactly the same on both stands, and it is compatible with both. So in order to use the extender bar, you're just going to swap out your 18-inch standard bar for your extender bar. And we include hardware with your kit. If you have the original acrylic stand, you will need the smaller screws and smaller Allen wrench. If you have the 2.0 metal stand, then the screws that are in your existing bar will work with your extender bar as well. So all I'm going to do is remove my standard bar and replace it with the extender bar. When adding your bar to your base, you just want to make sure that the part that is countersunk is towards the bottom. That will be the part that your screw goes into. After you have the bar on, you'll just reattach the light. And now your stand is ready to be used. So when you're exposing the 12 by 18 film, we actually flip the light around. This allows you to expose the larger stencil film since the base of our stand is only 14 by 14 and our stencil film is 12 by 18. So you just flip the light around and then you expose your stencil film exactly the same. So you start with a 12 by 18 stencil film and you want it to be parallel with the base of your stand. And then your artwork. And your cover sheet. And then at the higher distance, you're going to want to expose your stencil film for 1 minute and 40 seconds. So you just turn it on and expose as normal. You can also expose your 10 by 12 sheets at this height, but again, you would just want to go the full 1 minute and 40 seconds. And that's it. This is the extender bar for our Ikonart Exposure Unit.